Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Amaran FX22 video light. So it comes in this really nice case. I like that when you open the case, it's got these little arms that stop it. So here I've got it already installed. I've got the control panel hanging down here. Now it's not flickering in real life. It's nice and steady. Here's the actual light. I've got it on full brightness. Okay, so I've got other lights off. This is the only light that's downwash right now. I'm going to turn it off. And then back on. Okay, I had a few others on, so the light is on, now it's off. So it gives a really soft light. Let's go ahead and turn it. That's all the way that's 2500K. Let's go all the way to 7500K. And let's go really, really dim. There's like 17%. Yeah, you can see it's really dim. The control panel is very easy to use. Now, I like that it's got a nice big power button. You're just going to press the power button, turn it on and off. We can ramp up the brightness or change the temperature. So here it is up at the top. You don't get much light bleed through. These were very easy to install. You're just going to put them in the four corners. So attach this bracket first and then put the softbox on. And the way you attach this is you're going to just put all four of those hooks in the corners and then push this down. These are kind of spring loaded. Then it's going to kind of be held there. It does come with this piece. And then this piece is this is installed in this bracket and you cannot remove it. So I've had this light on for a while. There's a little bit of heat up here, not a whole lot. I mean, I can touch everything, but I can just feel just a little bit. I've had this on for about 6 hours now. Now this does get a little bit warmer, but I can still touch it everywhere, but it is, it is kind of warm. So you can power this with a battery. There's your battery connection if you want to connect it with a battery. I'm using the power supply that it comes with. So I put me in just like a little shelf to kind of hold all the power supply and cables. Okay, so let's go over some measurements. The box itself is right around 4 inches, but with the bracket and everything, you're looking at about, almost 8 inches. Now left to right, just a little bit bigger. Yeah, a little bit bigger than 24, almost 25 inches with the softbox on. Now, this is kind of heavy. I've got like a Manfrotto magic arm on that's really heavy duty. And then I've got things screwed into the wall there. Now, you're going to want to download the Citus link on your Apple or your Android device. That's the app you're going to need. Now, what's nice about this is I was able to install it. I didn't have to give it my email or username. It had a guest mode. And I created a scene. Give it access to your Bluetooth. They connected really easy. Here I've got this light connected to it, and I can control it so easy with this now. I can change the intensity, and it's very responsive. I can change the temperature. Now it's got some really nice effects. You got fire, it just kind of really neat. Paparazzi, hit play. Fireworks. Let's go to lightning. Pretty cool. So again, the app, you've got so much more control over it, so much manual music. I was absolutely amazed how much you can do with this light. Now you do get an extra cable. You can extend the power cord going to the control unit. You get a couple extras of these. There is two different kinds of, this is kind of a little bit different that you can put over it. The other one is more of just a white material. Everything does fold up in here, so it is made for transporting. It folds up very nice, and it's very easy to put together. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.